I'm trading in the Asia session Sunday evening. Just got into a short here, grabbed a few points. We had some triple divergence here. Had the trend flow candle turning red. Looked for a break lower. We just popped down 6 points, close to VWAP here. We had some triple divergence on the 5 minute back here. Nice move down. Got a big gap down here at the open. 60 minute Heikin-Ashi has been red. These three charts are the Delta and Divergence system. If you want to know how to set these charts up, there are links in the description to videos with all of the settings. Just bagged 4 points. I got some triple divergence here. I got a 4 on the signal counter. The trend flow was red. The trend core was red. I was looking for a retest of the 250 SMA here, which we just got. Just grabbed another 6 points or so. Triple divergence right there. Red trend flow, red trend core. Nice move down. We were turning red on the 9 EMA Heikin-Ashi candles. Delta was steadily declining on the 5 minute, and it was starting to come down on the ES finally too. We had the Heikin-Ashi 9 EMA and 20 SMA turning red here. Broke lower, just popped down over 20 points. Also had the trend flow turning red and the trend core turning red. We're closing below VWAP. Delta's been steadily decreasing here. Delta's dropping on the 5 minute NQ and ES. Starting to get some divergence building up. We're right at yesterday's low and the S1 pivot. I just grabbed a little bounce trade. We had the trend flow turn green. Trend core was already green. I got like 3.5 points there. It's going a lot more. It's going over 5 now. Got some double divergence building up on the 5 minute, but I do not see any reason to get long at the moment. Just about to start London pre-market here. And there you have it. We moved up very slightly at 2, and now we're getting another sell-off. Pulled up to the 20 SMA, rejected off of the 20. We've been staying double red on the Heikin-Ashi chart. Actually did take a bounce long. We had point of control drawn down into this previous 1 minute candle. And then, as this candle was finishing, the point of control was still down at the bottom here, but we were pushing up. Trend flow was turning green in real time. We had consecutive delta bars rising as we were coming down here. Delta's rising. I went for a long, but I only got a few points there. We did pop up around 8 points after I got in, but right back down again. We just got some triple divergence on the 5 minute NQ and the 5 minute ES. So I am perked up a little bit to the possibility of a long at some point here. So we were coming down here, the trend flow turned green on the NQ 5 minute here, and the trend core background was already green. Definitely popped up over 10 points from the close of this candle. Just hopped on for a little bit of the afternoon session. Just got into a little short. We had this dinky little red trend flow candle. Trend core was red. Looked for a breakout lower for a retest of the 20, which we just got. One of the main reasons I was interested in this trade is to look at the cumulative delta on the ES 5 minute versus the NQ 5 minute. Just been tanking on the ES. We're also up here near this previous day point of control on the NQ. Grabbed a little short there. And that might be it for me for the day. I'm not sure I'm going to get back in time to do any other trading later. So I ended up taking down that video that I did a couple days ago. The strategy so easy that even a baby could trade it in their sleep. Even though I got a couple thousand views and a bunch of subscribers in just a day and a half, I don't feel like I presented the material like I usually do. I feel like I went a little bit too deep off of the clickbait end. But I do like the setup, so I'm going to repost the settings here in a little bit. As you saw on my live trades from today, I did have this chart as part of the workspace. It's pretty dang simple. The candles are the 9 EMA combined with Heikin-Ashi. In the background is the 20 SMA combined with Heikin-Ashi. 20 period SMA is definitely one of my favorites, and I like the 9 for shorter term trends. But I'm just paying attention to the color of the candles. I want to be going in the same direction. And if I'm looking at a slightly higher time frame, I want the 20 SMA Heikin-Ashi background to to be going in the same direction as well. And then I've got the ultimate POC, printing the POCs on all these candles. I'm looking for when the POC is drawn down into the wicks, looking for potential trap traders and reversals. See the POCs up in the wick here, nice move down. Anytime the POC is at the extremes, top or bottom, like up here it's at the top, get a nice move down. Here is down at the bottom, little push up. Here it's up in the wick, push down. Here the point of control is down at the bottom of this wick, nice push up. Point of control down at the bottom here, nice push up. Point of control at the top here, nice push down. Point of control drawn down into this wick, a little push up. Point of control drawn down into the wick, push up. Point of control at the top, push down. Obviously this doesn't happen 100% every single time, but it's something that I pay attention to. I can show you the settings here. I've got the MMT Ultimate POC. I've got the POC activated, a width of 4. The color is gold. I'm not using anything else on the Ultimate POC. I've got 2 instances of the Ultimate Heikin-Ashi. The first one is using the Heikin-Ashi Trend feature. So this is just showing me when there is a green or a red Heikin-Ashi candle. I've got it painting the bars and the outline. I'm not using any of the other features on this amazing indicator. I've got the custom input Heikin-Ashi activated. You can use a custom input series of a MACD, RSI, SMA, EMA, comma, or the HMA. I've got the EMA with a period of 9. I've got this printing on each tick so I can see what's happening intra-bar in real time. The second instance of the MMT Ultimate Heikin-Ashi, also printing on each tick. This time I'm using the custom input series of the SMA with a period of 20. I'm also only using the Heikin-Ashi Trend feature, but this time I've got it printing the background, not the candles, just the background. And that's it. That's the very simple setup, very simple approach that you can incorporate into a grander, larger trading system of some kind. I'm always looking at the higher time frames, a lot of different key levels. So I've got a lot of different things that I'm looking for when I'm trading on a daily basis. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. There are links to all the indicators in the description. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is absolutely amazing. Greatly appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.